you ready for this?
Oh, just kidding. We're gonna start this video in a bathrobe laying in my bed because, you know, despite what Instagram may show, I'm actually the laziest person on earth. But shh, don't tell. Just between, you know, me and all 3 million of you. Okay? Okay. Anyways, what is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, we are doing one of my favorite things in the world. Imitating Rihanna. I just love Rihanna so much. I think she is like the most iconic woman on the planet. Her fashion choices are just so daring and bold and fabulous. And today I'm going to see if I can DIY her most fabulous outfit ever. This one. The glitz, the glamour, the beauty, the fabulosity. Oh my God, I just love it. I love this outfit so much. I literally put it on my mood board. So today I'm gonna see if I can recreate it DIY style. So I don't know. Let's get started. Without further ado, here we go. I make that fabulous crystal Rihanna dress. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Like, look at that. I literally have it on my mood board. That's how much I love this outfit. Okay, so anyways, speaking of amazing outfits, outfit of the day, anyone? So as always, before we get started, here's my outfit of the day because I'm actually not leaving the house today. But yeah, this is a pink bathrobe. It's humongous. I got it at a hotel. Shh, another secret. It does say the Beverly Hills Hotel, but like, don't worry. I actually paid money for this. Okay. So, this is a very boring outfit of the day, but I am wearing cool shoes. Oh my God, yes. You guys always ask if this is really how I lounge around the house. Honestly, yeah. To be honest, it's also how I go out of the house. Like, would I leave the house like this? Yes, absolutely. But I actually went shopping for all the materials for this project yesterday. So please enjoy this quick little time hop of me going downtown like 12 hours ago.
All right, here is me yesterday jamming to T Swift's new album. By the way, yes, I do have a blonde wig on. I was in a mood. Go with it.
Ah, yes, the gorgeous downtown Los Angeles. And of course, we are visiting Mr. Benny. Let's go. Say hi, Benny.
Hello.
It's so dark in here. Ben especially is opening the store for me because it's closed because we're best friends, right, Ben?
Of course, of course.
Oh, let there be light, let there be glamour. Hello, ladies. All right, let's get the goodies. So we need to get some kind of glittery fabric. Obviously, Ben has all the goods of everything. So, what shall we use? So many choices, I'm stressed. Wow. Oh my God, I just love this place so much. Just for the record, when I die, I think I want to be buried here. Oh my God, this is honestly a look. Something like this, I would honestly like to just wear around as an outfit. But okay, I'm distracted. Oh, amazing. I get distracted so easily. Okay, anyways. I think we found the winner. Thanks, Ben.
You're in my heart.
Oh, love you, Benny. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, kids. And now we craft. Woo. Alrighty, so are you guys ready to see what we got? Are you ready, little muffin? Are you ready? You just gonna sit? All right. Well, Mommy's gonna craft now. Oh my goodness, we match now with the blonde. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, so here's what I got. I ended up picking up some of this gorgeous mesh, kind of fishnetty fabric. Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
We got some nude shapewear shenanigans. And we also got these little, I don't even really know what to call these, but these are like these things. I will find out what they're called and link them below. But yeah, of course, some scissors, and that's that on that. So,
alrighty, let's try this. Dun, 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 you ready? Here we go.
Alrighty, so first things first, you can see the fabric kind of has a little extra piece on the end with no sparkles. So we're just going to go ahead and trim that off with the scissors. Dun, 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 dun. See? Beautiful. Now it is free of the boring part and only the exciting crystally part. So we're just going to take the beautiful piece of fabric and kind of wrap it around our body like this.
Ooh, sexy shapewear. Okay, so, oh my God, even just this is a look. Ooh la la. Wow. Anyways, so basically what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna kind of wrap this around me like that. So it's gonna turn into the dress. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, so that's that.
Look at that glittery booty. Oh, wow. Okay, so anyways, you can see I just kind of wrapped it around to guesstimate the measurements. I went ahead and safety pinned that.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
And then I just laid it on the floor so I can trim off the extra. So trimmed off the extra piece, da-da-da-da. Made sure it's all even and lined it up beautifully. Okay, so now is when I'm gonna take the little weird silver thingamajigger bobbers, and you can see you can actually bend them really easily. So it's kind of like a staple that you can control with your hands. I wish I had a better description for this, but that's all I got for now. So you can see I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of link the two pieces of mesh together with the little handmade staple thingies so they are connected. By the way, I'm doing this inside out so the crystals are on the inside. Cut off the excess again if there's any left over. And then when you flip this inside out, you are not gonna be able to see the seam. It's going to be more, invisible. Then you have this weird looking thing. Cool. Okay, this looks like nothing, but it will look like something soon. So now for the top, we're basically gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut another little piece of rectangle fabric, wrap it around, kind of guesstimate again. I do a lot of guesstimating. And, just fold it in half, trim that down to size, and do the same thing by pushing the little silver thingies in there, trimming the extra off, flipping it inside out, and then you can see, boom, it's gonna kind of look like a shirt. Groovy. So now we got the bottom and we got the top. George is lounging. Fantastic. So now we got to make our gloves for the paws. Our hands. Okay, so you can see I cut two identical pieces of fabric like this, and we're going to just go ahead and lay that on our arm like so. We're just going to cut a little hole in the center of those so we can stick our middle finger through it, and then it can be like some of those glamorous old Hollywood looking gloves. So I'm just going to kind of cut those at a triangle angle so we have two matching pieces again. Repeat the same thing with the little silver clasps, again, inside out, of course. So when you cut that down to size and then you flip it inside out, again, you won't be able to see the seam and it will actually be looking like a glove. So now we got two of those, bada bing, bada boom. Again, sorry, this isn't like the most fabulous tutorial, but I don't think anyone's gonna do this anyway. I'm just showing you what I did. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so.
George, you can't sit there.
Now for the head wrap, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of use this as like a bandana. I cut another little piece of fabric that I'm just gonna be able to wrap around my head with my hands. So da-dun, it's kind of gonna look like that. Again, I'm no professional at this, but that's good enough for now. So when it's all done, we have all the glittery action and it looks like this on the floor. George isn't impressed, but I'm impressed. Of course, we're gonna grab this little fuzzy wrap thing that I actually already happen to have. I just keep it on display here, so that's perfect for this. Some glittery earrings, and of course, some nude strappy heels to go with the look. And dun-da-da-dun, drum roll please. Are you guys ready for the grand finale? Woo!
Oh my god, George, are you ready for this? Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, you guys! Wow. This is the best look. Oh my god. This is the best look of all time. Wow! Extremely hard to walk in, but you can see up close. Oh my god. It's kind of hard for you to see how glittery it is, but just know it is the glitteriest thing in the world. Wow. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to be fully nude on YouTube, so that's why we have the shapewear under here, but you can see it came out so cool. Wow. Oh my god. Weirdly enough, I just had this fur thing. And honestly, it's kind of hard for you to see, but the gloves, oh my god, such a vibe. Oh my god, look at the way it glitters and shimmers and oh! Definitely would be even better with nipples out, but what can you do? Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see that. To be honest, the little crystal-y hat thing didn't really come out like perfectly, but I think it came out pretty good. It is glittery and that's all that matters. This is the best thing I've ever seen. Na 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 na, come on, come on. Shine bright like a diamond under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh. Whips and chains excite me like diamonds in the sky. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Overall, I would say freaking nailed it. Ooh, all right, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's now. See you soon. Pumpkin, do you love it? You love it, honey? Are we the shiniest duo ever? You love it so much? You're my little royal prince king man. And of course, never forget the most iconic quote of all time. What, my boobs bother you? They're covered in Swarovski crystals, darling. Too fabulous for you. Bye. Forget a hair flip, we'll do a fuzzy thing flip. Oof. Now that's a certified look. Sparkly boobies, sparkly booties. The way I like to live my life. Ooh, 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 do the chicken dance. Wow, 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 I'm gonna fall over. Sorry, Drake, I'm too good for you. Wow. Yes, I'm never gonna take this off. It's actually my birthday tomorrow, maybe I'll wear this. Overall, I would say we freaking nailed it. Fantastic. P.S. Rihanna, if for some reason you ever see this, hi, I love you. So there you have it, you guys. That was me recreating Rihanna's iconic red carpet look. Like I said earlier, we are just truly so blessed to live in a time where we get to watch Rihanna exist. That's just creme de la creme. Hey little fox, you want to be in the outro with me? Okay, I'll sit with you. Ugh. I'm sweating. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. I love you so very much. I feel like the most glamorous princess in the world. Okay. Let me know if there's any other looks you want me to do. I will do them. Till next time, sweet angels. Stay sparkly, stay inspired, stay fabulous. Most of all, stay iconic. Till next time, sweet angels. XO. George, you look so ominous in the hallway like that. Come here, honey. Yay, sweet boogeyman. Hi. Oh, that's my little king. I love you. We should have made you glittery. You look pretty in glitter, Georgie. Smile, big pumpkin. This is going to be our Christmas card.